Yeah. What's good, y'all? I took my front pump out. I took that mug out. I'm gonna put a new pressure seal in it. Front's not working. I think it's a pressure seal, so we'll see what's going down. Plus, I want to check this gear in here. I think it's a number 9. I need a number 11 for all these batteries. You dig? So, just a little update on what's going down. Janky's still here. She's straight. Anybody out there? I'm looking for 2 13x7 72 cross lace chinas. I need 2 of them, y'all. I need 2 of them. So hit me up. Hit me up. I need 2 of those. Alright, y'all. Let me get back to building this shit. West, y'all. You dig?